Okay, so today I'm going to go over the 6 healing sounds. This form takes slightly under 10 minutes to do. Each posture is repeated 6 times and separated by a chi gathering exercise, which we're going to talk about. So first one, we're going to do 3 chi gathering the nurturing chi, di chi from the earth, healing chi, tian chi from the heavens, and pressing it through all the organs and systems of the body. We'll do that 2 more times, breathing in and out. In and out. Now for the first of the 6 healing sounds, it's connected to wood. Shoo. And the last one. Gathering the nurturing chi from the earth, healing chi from the heavens, pressing it down through all the organs and systems of the body. Next is for the fire element. Last one. Gathering the nurturing chi from the earth, healing chi from the heavens, pressing it down through all the organs and systems of the body. This next one is for the earth element. You normally would start up with your left hand. I'm going to do right so you can follow me. Last one on each side. gathering the healing chi from nurturing chi from the earth and healing chi from the heavens. Send down to all the organs and systems of the body. Next is for the metal element. Sa! 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 Last one. Sa! Gathering the nurturing chi from the earth, healing chi from the heavens. And now for the water element, bringing the hands around, gathering the environmental chi, massaging the kidneys for 3 breaths. Gathering the chi again. Last one. Gathering the nurturing chi from the earth, healing chi from the heavens, pressing it down to other organs and systems of the body. And finally, this last one is to tonify all of the systems in the body. Breathing in. Last one. Freeze. Chi gathering breaths, breathing in, gathering the nurturing chi from the earth, healing chi from the heavens. 2 more breaths, breathing in and out. Last one.